Hello and welcome to our lesson. Today we'll learn about types of sentences. So, are you ready to learn? Well, of course you are. Let's get started. There are 4 types of sentences. The first is declarative, next is interrogative, third is exclamatory, and fourth is imperative. The first type of sentence we'll learn about today is declarative. A declarative sentence is a statement, or it tells us something, and it always ends in a period. Here's an example of a declarative sentence. The monkey is dancing. This is a declarative sentence because it tells us what the monkey is doing. And look at that. It always ends in a period, and there's the period. The next type of sentence we'll talk about is interrogative. An interrogative sentence asks a question, and it always ends in a question mark. Here is an example of an interrogative sentence. What is the monkey eating? This is an example of an interrogative sentence because it asks what the monkey is eating. And you guessed it, it ends in a question mark. The third type of sentence we'll talk about today is exclamatory. An exclamatory sentence shows strong emotions or feelings, and it always ends in an exclamation point. Here's an example of an exclamatory sentence. The monkey fell out of the tree. This is an example of an exclamatory sentence because it shows strong emotion and it ends in an exclamation point. The fourth type of sentence we'll talk about is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a command, and it always ends in an exclamation point or a period. Here are 2 examples of imperative sentences. Get back here now. This is an example of an imperative sentence because it gives a command and it ends in a period. Stop. This is also an example of an imperative sentence because it gives a command and it ends in an exclamation point. Well, that wraps up lesson 1. But don't worry, here is lesson 2 right here. Go ahead and click and watch part 2. See you in the next video.